Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Ricky. So in this video, we're learning about multiplication of fraction, right? So multiplication of fraction here means we multiply any proper fractions and mixed numbers by proper fraction and also mixed numbers. All right. So first we go to multiply proper fraction by proper fraction. Now, as you can see, 1 over 4 times 3 over 5, this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. So proper fraction multiplied by proper fraction. So the next step, I multiply the numerator and the denominator multiplied by the denominator. So 1 times 3, okay, the numerator, and the denominator here, 4 times 5. Therefore, I get 3 over 20. Right, this is easy, yeah? Next, 3 over 4 times 5 over 9. So these two actually are proper fraction, yeah? So next, we try to simplify the fraction to get smaller number. Yes, when you are doing multiplication, we try to simplify the number before we do the multiplication because we want to get the number smaller. If not, when you multiply, the number is getting bigger. Then it is hard for you to do the simplification later. So here, 3 over 4 times 5 over 9, I'll be using times table 3 here because I saw 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is under times table 3. Now, times table 3 have 3 and 9. Therefore, when I simplified it, 3, after you simplify 3, it will becomes 1. And 9, when you simplify by 3, it becomes 3. Or I can say the location. Now, in times table 3, 3 is actually number 1. And the 9 is actually number 3, the third, right? Therefore, 3 here. Okay. After that, it laps 1 times 5 here. So bottom is 4 times 3, right? The denominator. And here, 5 over 12, the answer. Okay, next I'll be showing you another numbers, proper fraction times proper fraction. And we try to simplify if possible, right? Here I'll be using times table 3 and 5. By looking at the times table, I know I can simplify these two, 5 and 10, right? It's actually under times table 5. So this 5 becomes 1 because under the times table 5 is the first place. So 1 and 10, when you simplify with 5, becomes 2 because 10 is number 2 here. As for 3 and 9, this is under times table 3, whereby 3 becomes 1 and 9 is 3, right? 9 is third place. Okay, after that, you write down the simplified number. So 1 times 1 over 3 times 2. Therefore, the answer is 1 over 6. Okay, proper fraction times proper fraction. Next, multiply mixed number or proper fraction by mixed number or proper fractions. As you can see, this is proper fraction and this is mixed number. So first step, we need to convert into improper fraction. We don't want any mixed number when we are doing multiplication fraction, right? So convert this into improper fraction. So this is the step. Okay, 5 times 3, 15, and then plus 1. You get 16 over 5. So write it down, 1 over 2 times 16 over 5. There are no more mixed number here, right? Next step, we try to simplify if possible. So here, I saw 2 and 16. This is under times table 2, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 here. 2 and 16 is under the same times table. So I can use times table 2 to simplify. So 2 is a placement of 1 and 16 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So put an 8 here. And then 1 times 8, which is 8. denominator is 1 times 5, which is 5. Now you get 8 over 5, but don't leave the answer in improper fraction. We need to convert back into mixed number by using this. You divide them. So 8 divided by 5, 5, 1, 5, and then remainder 3. So the whole number here is 1, and the remainder is 3 over 5. Right? This is the final answer. Okay. Next, this is mixed number, and right hand side also mixed number. So you need to convert both into improper fraction, right? So 3 over 4, after you convert, you get 15 over 4. And 2, 7 over 10, when you convert, you get 27 over 10. So after you convert, you write them back. Yeah? So equal to 15 over 4 multiply with 27 over 10. Now look at this, we can simplify the fraction to get smaller number, right? Here, I saw times table 5. Why? Because times table 5 contain tens and also 15. Yeah, 10 and 15. Therefore, I simplify it. 15 is a placement of third place. 15 here. 1, 2, 3. And 10 is actually 2 here, number 2. Alright? So after I simplify, times them. 3 times 27. 4 times 2. Yeah? So I get 81 over 8. Now, don't leave the answer in improper fraction. You need to convert back into mixed number. Therefore, 81 divided by 8, okay, 10 and remainder 1, right? So the 10 will be the whole number and remainder 1 over 8. Next, solving bracket in the multiplication of fraction, right? Given the number sentences, now there is a bracket here. How do you solve it? Okay, first, we need to use elimination method, right? We need to eliminate this thing. We don't want 3 over 5. Okay, we don't want 3 over 5. Therefore, I multiply by a number which reverse of it. So this is so-called elimination method. By multiply the number that reverse of it, you will eliminate this thing. So the bracket here will be gone. So how about the right hand side? Yes, you need to rewrite what you try to eliminate. So as you can see, you try to eliminate 3 over 5, right? So the right hand side, you times with a number that reverse of it. So which is this, 5 over 3. You rewrite it on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, this one no more, I already eliminate. So left bracket, right hand side, I left 7 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 3. Right? So as you can see this, I can simplify. I can simplify the fraction under times table 5 because 5 and 10. So after you simplify, I get this one 1, this one 2. And then 7 times 1. And then denominator 2 times 3. So 7 times 1, which is 7. 2 times 3, which is 6. Now this one, don't let the answer in improper fraction. You need to convert into mixed number, right? By dividing them. Yeah, and then I get 1 over 6. Okay, next one. Bracket times 5, 1 over 4 equal to 2, 4 over 5. This is mixed number. This is mixed number. Okay, so when you see mixed number, first, you need to convert into improper fraction. So I convert it into improper fraction. I get 21 over 4. And right hand side here, I get 14 over 5. So after you get the answer, you put it back the number sentences. So bracket times 21 over 4 equal to 14 over 5. Now, I want to eliminate this thing, right? 21 over 4. So you should be multiply something that reverse of it if you want to eliminate it. So I multiply a number that reverse of it. Now you can see 4 over 21. I want to eliminate this thing. I multiply something reverse of it. So what you multiply here, the right hand side, you should be do the same thing. Multiply 4 over 21, the same number. The same number. Yeah, you rewrite the same on the other side. So this number all gone. So in the box here, no more, gone. just left bracket. So equal to 14 over 5 times 4 over 21. Now look at here. Actually, you can simplify by using times table 7 because there is 14 and 21 under times table 7. So 14 when you simplify becomes 2 and 21 simplify becomes 3. Okay, therefore 2 times 4, right? And then denominator 5 times 3. And then 8 over 15. Now this is proper fraction. So the answer, leave it like that. You don't need to do any conversion here. Alright? So I will make a summary today. You learn about multiplication of fraction, which proper fraction multiply with proper fraction. When both with proper fraction, you no need to do any conversion. But if one side there is mixed number, then you need to convert first, right? If there is mixed number, convert first into improper fraction, and you start to do the simplification. If simplification you cannot do, then proceed to the last step. Just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, right? If the answer is in improper fraction, convert back into mixed number. Second is how to solve the bracket. Whenever you want to solve the bracket, you need to multiply a number the inverse of it. For example, the left hand side, you multiply the inverse number. So what is going on the other side, you multiply the same number on the other side. The number which is already inverse of it. All right, then you try to simplify and then solve it. All right, if the sentences having all are mixed number, then you convert the mixed number into improper fraction and then you start to eliminate it. All right, then finally you get the answer. All right, so I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.